Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to import Google Contacts to iPhone. Let me show you how to do that in 2022. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my iPhone I don't have any contacts because my contacts there in my Google. So how to import from there to here, the easy steps. So on your iPhone, just go to the settings option, just scroll down, you will get option called contacts. Once you select the contacts option, you will get option called accounts. So if you select accounts, there will be a default account, that is your iCloud accounts will be there, but my contacts are stored in my Google account. So what I have to do here, so here there will be an add account. Once you click add account, whether it will be in iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, or which criteria, with this one you can choose. I just select the Google. So once I select the Google, because I want to transfer my Google contact to here, so I just click here to continue. So it will ask you to sign in. So I just select my account, or I just type my account. So it will be direct you to the mail, contacts, calendar, or anything else. So if you give the password, so it will ask you whether you want to enable or not. I just want to enable both mail, contacts, and calendar. Just click the save option. So account will be added in my Google to iPhone. So once I added the account, the Gmail account has my account, that is my account and password I have given there, and mail and contacts and calendar will be there. So when I just select here, just go to the contacts option, my every contacts will be uploaded there. So as you see here, so my every contacts is adding over there because I have added the contact details. Everything will be adding through my contacts. So it is an easy option while you want to purchase some iPhone. So from Gmail to your contacts, it is easy to access your entire contacts. For example, if you want to access your contact through your laptop, means just log in your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account because I have stored all contact through the Gmail. So here there will be a three dots, that is Google Apps. Once you click here, just to scroll down, you will get option called contacts. Once you click the contacts, the Google contacts will be displayed over here. So these are my contacts as well as the phone number. So I can have access through this option to get all kind of details. So if you want to contact through Google Meet, you can use this option. Otherwise you can use iPhone backup through add the contacts. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.